Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a simple breast pump. First, always begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Next, carefully clean all pump components that will come into contact with your milk using warm, soapy water. Then rinse and air dry them. Finally, assemble your pump following the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer, ensuring all parts are securely connected for optimal performance. To begin pumping, center the breast shield over your nipple and areola, creating a good seal against your skin. Turn on the pump and start with a gentle suction setting, gradually increasing it to a comfortable level that allows milk to flow without pain. Aim to pump for about 15 to 20 minutes per breast, or until your milk flow significantly slows down. To help maximize your milk expression, try gently massaging your breasts before and during your pumping session. Applying warm compresses for a few minutes can also encourage milk letdown. Many find it helpful to look at a photo or video of their baby, or even smell a baby item, as this can stimulate oxytocin and improve milk flow. After pumping, store your expressed milk in clean, sealed containers or specialized breast milk storage bags. Freshly pumped milk can be safely refrigerated for up to 4 days, or frozen for about 6 months for longer storage. Remember to label your containers with the date. For more helpful tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.